Okay, so we're really getting started here now. Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to 3S. 3S stands for 3 very simple activities you're going to do every day for the rest of your life. Do you really mean that? Yes. Or at least, I mean, for the rest of your work life. You're gonna do it every single day at work. So what the heck is 3S? Well, I'm glad you asked. 3S comes from 3 Japanese words, which are seri, seiso, and seiketsu. Oh, and maybe I didn't mention it, but 3S actually comes from Japan. It comes from the Toyota Motor Corporation, but it's now all over the world. However, I wanted you to know where it comes from. When translated into English, we get 3 activities. Sort. This is about getting rid of your stuff. It's about getting rid of your stuff that you don't need. It means, when translated, to keep only the essential tools and items on hand. Remove everything else. The next S is for sweep. Sweep is about cleaning up your stuff. It means to regularly clean and tidy up the workplace so that work is unambiguous and unhindered by mess. And lastly, standardize. Well, if you follow my dumb joke, the best parallel I have to this one for standardize is to regulate your stuff. Although really it's not about regulation. Standardize means to create and update standards for how things are done. This makes it easy for anyone else to jump into your organization and work there as well. In the next few videos, I'm going to teach and demonstrate each of the activities of 3S. But before we get much further, you might be wondering why we do it in the first place. Well, really the reason why we do 3S is because it makes work easy. Now, other people may tell you that 3S is actually about eliminating clutter so that what's called value-added activities can flow. And that's true. Other people might tell you that 3S is about finding problems, and that's true as well. All these things are true, but really the outcome of what we do in 3S is that it makes all this easier. And that's why we do it. Who wouldn't be in for an easier work experience, right? After you've spent some time 3S'ing your workplace, you'll have a beautiful, struggle-free environment to work in. There won't be junk getting in the way. All your equipment and workspaces will be clean, organized, and well-maintained. And it'll be so simple and apparent how everything works that even a complete stranger will be able to find exactly what they need. Oh, and don't think even for a moment that this is only for manufacturing. Do that, and one of those manufacturing people might be tempted to just show the whole world the last picture of your computer desktop screen. And lastly, let me emphasize that this really has to be something that everyone does every day, and there's no exceptions. Even the president, CEO of your company needs to be participating in this every day. And it's what companies all over the world are doing too. You'll see the president and a new hire side by side 3S'ing the workspace. It's awesome. The reason why is if you can't get everybody to do it in manufacturing, in the office, in the warehouse, out in the field, everywhere, and if you can't get them to do it every day, then it's extremely unlikely that you're going to be able to stick with it for the long term. And actually, all the rest of Lean as well. Well, that's it for this video. Got a whole lot more to tell you, but it's gonna wait until you play the next one.